you guys, it's been raining hard like all day. And so now I have a pond. It's amazing. But the thing about where I live is that water like breaks my driveway up. This is my driveway. Look, it's like a freaking waterfall. It's kind of pretty, just like not good for the car, you know? My driveway. You can go fishing in it. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, and it just keeps going all the way down. Look at this. It's crazy. Like, I could lose a dog in here. In fact, where's my dog? Titus! Here it comes. Look at the water, Titus. Look, you could go swimming. You want to go swimming? You could probably drink that. Like, I'll allow it. Just jump in, dude. Oh my god. Oh, I just stepped in water. Oh no. Get in. The water's really cold. It's really cold. Did you see this river that's in our driveway, buddy? Oh, I can't really imagine. Oh shit, look at that. There's deer. You guys see that? There's a little deer. Oh, there's 3 of them. Oh, I think it's so. Excuse me now. Oh, Titus is on it. Titus, look! Look at the deer! Those 4, 5. There's 5 of them. They're not even that bothered. They're just like, I guess if we have to run, we'll run. Titus, what are you doing? Get back up here! Look, they're not even that afraid of you. That one's just standing there. Okay, seriously though, I gotta go get my dog. Come on, let's go. I'm leaving, bye, see ya. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so this is completely legal. This is an explosion type of thing. So you have 2 different components and you mix them up. And then you shoot it with a high-powered rifle and it makes a big boom. We only have 1 bullet, so I'm gonna laugh when he misses because so much pressure. I wish we would have thought of getting something to blow up, like, I don't know, like a watermelon or a pumpkin, you know, for the birds. Because, like, it goes everywhere. But I didn't know he was gonna get one today, so. Anyways, let's check her out. All right, whenever you're ready to scare the crap out of everyone, go for it.
Ready?
Good job, you did it in 1 shot. The guinea is pissed. I gotta go check, see if my pets are all right. This is what rednecks do for fun. I just married one.